Good habits. Personal hygiene and fitness. Early to bed. We should sleep early to stay healthy. Early to rise. Early to rise helps us stay healthy and energetic. Take a bath daily. We should take a bath daily to stay clean and healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day to keep them clean and healthy. Wash hands. Washing hands helps prevent germs. Eat healthy food. It is good to eat healthy food every day. Drink lots of water. Drinking lots of water keeps our body hydrated. Finish your meal. We should finish our meal and not waste food. Exercise daily. It is a good habit to exercise daily. Comb your hair. Remember to comb your hair every morning. Wash your clothes. You should wash your clothes regularly. Wear clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes every day. Trim your nails. You should trim your nails every week. Clean your ears regularly. Always clean your ears regularly and carefully. Pray daily. We should pray daily for peace. Never waste food and water. Children must learn to never waste food and water. Cleanliness. Cleanliness helps us stay safe from diseases. Use a dustbin. We should use a dustbin to keep our surroundings clean. Keep your surroundings clean. We should keep our surroundings clean to stay healthy. Keep your room clean. It is important to keep your room clean for good health. Clean and organized desk. A clean and organized desk helps you work better. Do not scribble on your books. Always do not scribble on your books to keep them neat. Keep them clean and organized. Make sure to keep them clean and organized every day. Keep your classroom clean. It is important to keep your classroom clean for a healthy environment. Keep your toys well organized. It is good to keep your toys well organized to find them easily.